Alright, so we do have these fresh little cucumbers going on here. Parts of them are Boston pickling cucumbers. I've had a lot of luck with Boston pickling cucumbers. They're the best. So, anyways, and they got their first initial same temperature as the air watering, because you don't want to give them like the hose watering right out of the ground, because you know that stuff is a lot cooler than what it is today. It's like 85, but they got a little bit of compost tea just to help them get along, and they're all set to go. However, I did get lucky because we're about to have yet another rainstorm hit, so that's going to help that kind of cycle through these pots here and make it not so harsh on these new guys, because there's nothing better than the rain hitting your plants, you know. Plus, look, got a little bit of dirt on there on the leaves that'll naturally come off, but it's really about to naturally come off with the rain, so you can always rely on that. Anyways, here's wishing everybody good luck with their starter plants.